Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. I have SANLI here, as you can see, laser cord. It's got an issue with the carburetor, and I'm going to show you how to change the carburetor. Let's get started. So to get the carburetor out, first you got to get the wheel out. The metal part doesn't disturb us, and you got to take the filter out and these 3 bolts, and we can take the 2 bolts out as well. You're going to take it out the filter anti-clockwise. That's good. Let's get the bolt, 2 bolt out. They all take 10 mil, so very easy. Another 2 bolt here. Get that bolt out. Get a fuel line out and try to take these ones. Take that first. Be careful with the spring, and that's what you get. Now the carburetor is out, and we're gonna open up. It takes 10 mil as well. Don't lose it. Put aside. Oh no, disgusting. Unbelievable. You can't use it. I cannot use that. So let me go get a second hand. I have one more second hand, and we're gonna clean up and put it back on. This one goes on the side, we can use it. I got another very identical carburetor. Let's see how it is. This is out. Let me open that up. That looks okay. That looks alright. A little bit dirty, but let's put that away. Take it off. Float and the needle. Now next one. Let's get the tube out and clean it. You need a flat screwdriver. Now what do? Get on position. Try to spray here. Let's do the other side so it doesn't hit us. That looks alright. Let's get the tube clean. There's a little hole here. It's clean as well, which is very good. Let's go to the front part. As you can see, clean much as you can, and that's clean. And that's the tube, which is the ECU. That looks perfect. That looks perfect as well. Just spray and put it back. And that's where the another problem is. That looks clean as well. Okay, we gotta put everything back. First, this one goes in, pointing down, and this one. Okay, put it tight. Float. That's good. Float looks alright. Position's good. So this be like this. So we put this way. So I put like this so you can drain the fuel if you need to. Just try this. That's all good. Now the carb is nice and clean. Let's put it back. So this one rod goes here. Second one goes here from the front and lined up nicely. Put it back in and let's put this back. Let's put this back. This is good. Fuel line in. That's in. Now let's put the wheel back. Now the carb is cleaned and replaced. Let me try now. That's all done, guys. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe.